Hey y'all, welcome back to Georgia Cooking for the Soul. I have a real easy, good recipe for you today. It's going to be baked nachos, okay? The ingredients that I'm going to use are the Dorito chips here. Got 2 bags of those. I have some mild cheddar cheese. I got 2 pounds, and then I got another 1 pound bag right here. I have some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese right here. Have some salsa, chunky salsa, and sour cream. Over here on the stove, I got some ground beef browning. Okay, I don't have any chili sauce, so I'm gonna add some salsa to my ground beef. I'm gonna add the combination blend. Add the combination blend. I'm gonna add onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Okay. Then I'm gonna put it all in a pan and bake it. I'll show you how to do it. Okay. Let me add some more seasoning. Combination blend. When the ground beef brown, then I add some of this salsa. You don't really have to put in any sauce on it if you don't want it, because I'm gonna also add salsa to it when it comes from out of the oven. Okay, this garlic powder, onion powder, this garlic powder. There go black pepper. And just gonna let it brown. Okay. So, you want to add onion to it, you can, but today my nephew, my niece, and myself had a taste for nachos, so we decided to make some oven homemade nachos. Y'all want me to put some onions in the meat? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me add some onion, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I just add the onions. They're cooking. After it's brown, I'm gonna drain the grease off it. And then I add the salsa sauce to it. And then I'll start layering it in the pan. Okay. It's browning real good. Put the top on and let it steam the onions some. Turn it down a little bit so the onions can tender up. Okay, I have 2 silver pans right here. One there and one over there. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to layer the chips in this pan. A bag for each pan. A little bit more of that one. I have a half a bag already to add to this bag. Okay, y'all. I got the chips in the pan. What we're waiting on now is the meat. Okay, I will add the meat, then the cheese, and then when the cheese melts in the oven, then I come back and add the salsa and the sour cream. Let's check the hamburger. Ground beef. be back. I'm gonna situate the jar over here. So can I get you situated? Okay, y'all got the ground beef drained and all. I'm gonna add a little bit of this salsa, just so the meat won't be so dry. Have it kind of wet like. Add a little sugar, because the time I deal with any tomatoes, I always add a little sugar with it. I'm just going to let this now heat up through and through before I take and spread it over the chips. Right, taste. Okay, not bad. A little bit more combination blend. A little more onion powder. A little more garlic powder. Okay. I'm just going to let it heat up. Stir those flavors in. Okay. Bring it closer, let you see it. So we're getting ready to spread over the chips now. Okay. And sit it there, so we're gonna spread it right, put it right there. Go hold the camera, Lil, so they can see what I'm doing. Okay, just hold it in the pan. Okay. Just spread the ground beef over your chips like so. Okay. And this to this one. I might look backwards doing it to y'all because I'm left-handed. Spread it all over your chips. Then we're going to spread the cheese. Put it in the oven on 400 degrees. Put it in the oven 400 degrees, but stay right there and watch it because you know 400 is high. And it don't take these long for they'll burn up. Okay, first we're going to go with the mild. here you put a lot of cheese. If you're a cheese lover like me and my niece and nephew are, you will load these up with cheese. Okay. And this one. That's the spot over there. I had hit it again. Okay. Now we're gonna go with Kobe Jack and the mozzarella. Monterey. I don't have no mozzarella cheese, y'all. It's Monterey. Kobe Jack and Monterey. Okay. Just hit this a little bit because we just want just a different combination of cheese with it. That's all. Okay. And that's it. We'll put it in the oven. And we'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is the first pan. I just took it out of the oven. It looked delicious. I'm going to plate up some. Sit it right here. Cheesy. Yummy. Okay, I don't want it to burn. Not quite ready yet. I'm opening up this sour cream. I'm going to turn you around in just a minute. Okay. How about right here? Y'all see that? Let me put my salsa. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. How about right there? Still can't see. Let me get somebody to hold the camera for me, y'all, so I can put the salsa on it. plate. Okay. Bring the salsa. You put how much salsa you want on it. This is mine. I don't want a whole lot of salsa. Okay. Sour cream. You can put just a little bit right there. Okay. Try one. And then take this out. I don't want it to burn. Wait a minute, y'all. I had to take out the second pan. I want to taste some. I'm going to get me a fork to eat with it, but right now I eat it with my finger. It's really good. Okay? I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And after watching this video, you like it, give me a thumbs up. Okay? I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.